camera, please. The call of the wild. The mating habits of the local species. The flight of majestic birds. The bond between parent and child. Animals doing what animals do. It doesn't get any wilder than this.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, Dodo, what you doing?
This is it. History in the making. After years of trying, I'm finally going to do it. I will fly. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Maybe I should have checked the best before date on this thing.
Just look at what last night's dust storm did to my carpets. I hate the dry season. Take that. Bless you. Hey, who took my carpets?
This dry, dusty season is wreaking havoc on my garden. Oh, my tomatoes look like prunes. You won't be stealing seeds from my garden anymore, you pesky creatures, once you see what I've had delivered. This scarecrow is guaranteed to frighten away everything, from penguins to pterodactyls. Bless you. Hey, a scarecrow can't sneeze, can he? What? It's stolen!
My hat! The dust storm must have blown it away. This baby will help protect my sensitive skin during the dry season. My summer will be frickle-free. Are you looking at me? Are you looking at me? Who's admiring me without my permission? Something's different. Huh? Who stole my hat?
Yeah, I just got that scarecrow. He was looking kind of good in that field.
Someone stole my hat. I'd like to know what we're going to do
I haven't
about
been
it.
able to sleep since.
The sneezer stole my short-term memory.
Why do you say that?
Right out from underneath me.
Why do I say what?
They stole a do about it.
Fleece jacket.
I'd like to know what we're going to do about it.
Quiet! We need to elect a sheriff to find and arrest the sneezing thief.
No need. I will be Freeborn's new sheriff.
Why should you be the sheriff, Eugene?
I'm the only one who fits this hat. Anyone have a problem with that? Then it's decided. Now clear out. I have important sheriff work to do.
You're not carolers, are you?
We want you to be sheriff.
What? Where's Eugene?
He's a bully. He actually gave me a ticket for moving too slowly.
If they hadn't caught me napping at the donut shop, I'd still be doing my job. Go ahead. You try and keep law and order in Freeborn.
If we're going to catch the thief, we have to work together.
And you'll need a good deputy to keep the peace while you investigate.
Okay, I'll be your sheriff.
She's a jolly good sheriff. She's a jolly good sheriff.
Fine, the sheriff. But I'm keeping the hat.
I'll see any illegal activity from here. And most importantly, without the thief detecting me. stakeout. What are you all doing here?
You said we should all work together.
Together, sure, but not together at the same time.
So, do we follow her or not?
I've made some minor changes to the existing freeborn laws you should know about. For example, here, Amendment number 96. Everyone must walk around with their hands in the air at all times so we can see they haven't stolen anything.
No way! I'm not doing that.
It's the law. Just like Amendment number 101. Everyone must wear a bell around their neck so that we know where they are at all times.
Don't even think about tickling me.
What's this note on the bulletin board? Because of the recent dust storms, Freeborn is in need of a spring cleaning. Oh, right. That's important. A few new laws never hurt anybody. Everybody disperse. Public gatherings are now against the law.
Remember, anything suspicious might be a clue.
How about this sandwich?
I'll dust the bread for prints. You guys look for dental marks in the lettuce.
Hey, anyone seen my sandwich?
Here it is. Good as new.
Sam!
Look, I found the hair.
If we can find a match of this hair and this sneeze, we'll have our thief.
Hey!
I'd reconsider that, Sheriff. Unless you want to finish your investigation in a body cast.
Music to my ears. Hey, you! Get your arms in the air! And remember, if you don't follow the laws, you'll end up in the Freeborn Penitentiary! Hey, you! Put that on!
It doesn't fit.
I'm afraid your non-compliance with the law leaves me no alternative but to imprison you. That's called resisting arrest, mister. Is there no end to your criminal recklessness?
How about I just hold it?
Okay, follow me. Now, I'd like to see you try and get out of there.
Hippo's hair and sneeze don't match the thief's. That's one down.
Lana, I have a complaint about your deputy. He arrested the...
Toad is not the thief. And a very messy sneezer.
I'm warning you, keep those tweezers where I can see them.
Eugene is not the thief. Note to self, try to avoid Eugene during cold season. A notice for a spring cleaning.
For loitering and not wearing a bell, I place you all under arrest. Nobody... Thought you could outsmart Deputy Dodo, huh? Not in this lifetime.
Look at you losers. I bet you all wish I was sheriff now.
Absolutely, big guy. Let us out, will you? There's the key.
Hey, what are you doing with my hat?
The jig's up, Eugene. You're under arrest.
Huh? What for?
Not wearing a bell, not keeping your arms in the air, and impersonating an officer. No one is bigger than the law. Not even you.
Strange. News don't usually travel alone. How on earth? My carpets are back and sparkling clean. Stop in the name of Lana the Lawkeeper. Wow, how do you get this grease stain out? What in Freeborn's name are you doing, Dodo? Is that a jail cell?
Lawbreakers, Sheriff. Every last one of them.
Let them out! Nobody's been stealing anything around here. I have reason to believe that what we have here is a do-gooder, not a thief, and the culprit is...
Me! I got the itch to do some spring cleaning. The dust has been wreaking havoc on my allergies.
He put a notice on the board, which we all might have seen if a certain deputy hadn't removed it.
Not so loud, Lana. They can hear you. The life of a jailbird. I could get used to this.
You might have to.